Introducing the all-new Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Restomod, a breathtaking revival of one of the most iconic cars in automotive history. But this isn't just a nostalgic tribute. It's the 300 SL Reborn with modern bones, cutting-edge performance, and timeless soul. Originally launched in 1954, the 300 SL Gullwing earned its place in the history books as the world's first fuel-injected production car. A machine that fused race-bred performance with sculptural elegance. Fast forward to today, and Mercedes has done the unthinkable. They've brought it back, reimagined with 21st century engineering and artisan-grade craftsmanship. Finished in a deep obsidian blue metallic, the bodywork stays true to the classic design. Long hood, short rear deck, and of course, those dramatic gullwing doors. But this isn't just an aesthetic remake. It's been rebuilt from the ground up on a modern carbon fiber monocoque chassis, reducing weight and enhancing stiffness. Under the hood, a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, producing 585 horsepower capable of launching this retro beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.8 seconds. Power is delivered through a rear-wheel drive setup with a 9-speed AMG speed-shift transmission, giving it the responsiveness and raw feel of a true driver's car. Every surface is a tribute to the original, yet reborn with modern artistry. From the vertical grille to the slim LED headlights inspired by the past, the dark blue paint dances under the lights of the gleaming white marble showroom floor, evoking elegance, power, and legacy. Step inside, and you enter a world where vintage design meets futuristic luxury. The interior cabin retains the classic twin cockpit layout, but every inch has been refined. Hand-stitched leather in rich saddle tan or deep oxblood, exposed aluminum switchgear, and a minimalist digital cluster seamlessly blend the old and the new. A bespoke steering wheel, carved from walnut and brushed aluminum, feels like a time machine in your hands. The center stack houses a floating touchscreen with haptic feedback, but hidden beneath a retractable wood panel for when you want the full vintage aesthetic. Ambient lighting traces the curves of the cabin, while the seats, carbon-shelled but upholstered in quilted leather, offer both bolstered performance support and long-distance comfort. This isn't just a Restomod. It's a resurrection of feeling, of mechanical emotion, of history, honored and evolved. Only 300 units will be built worldwide, each one handcrafted by Mercedes-Benz's Elite Heritage Division, and priced from $1.2 million. But every penny is a tribute to the engineering artistry and cultural weight behind the 300 SL name. With bespoke paint options, vintage instrument clusters fused with modern HUDs, and ride modes from classic cruise to sport heritage, this 300 SL doesn't just sit pretty in the past, and it moves, roars, and inspires. It's a collector's dream, a museum piece you can drive, a memory forged in the present. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SL is back, and it's better, bolder, and faster than ever. Because icons don't age, they evolve.